Hello, I'm Amalia, and here I'll show you how to make a single citation with page number, merge citation, as well as make bibliography using Mendeley Reference Manager. Okay, let's open the apps, Mendeley Reference Manager. So this is the looks when you open the apps and you already have some files in it. But if you still confused how to add files to Mendeley, don't worry because it's very simple. But a little tips, if you wanted to add some references, files to Mendeley, make or create collection first. Here, just type, for example, like the title of your research or the topic of your research here. And create the files, and then after that, add references. You can import folder or just each files to Mendeley. For example, here you can click the import files and just select the files that you wanted to add to Mendeley and click open, and your files will be uploaded to Mendeley. But a little reminder that Mendeley Reference Manager is using internet connection. So make sure if you wanted to use this one, the internet connection in your area is stable. Okay, if you already have some files on your Mendeley, now before we citate, we need to make sure that all of the files are ready to be citated. All of the titles of the files, it needs to be written in the 7th editions of APA 7th edition style, which is each word needs to be started using capital letters. And another thing that we need to pay attention is the type of our files here. For example, this one is book section, and yeah, this one is already correct. But if your files is detected isn't just the way your file is, I mean, if you click the files and the type of your files is not the exact type as your file is, you can tap the change button here and find the type that suits your files. And mine are already suit all of the files, already match. This one is book 2, journal article, and all of the titles are already written in the APA 7th edition styles, and now we are ready to citate. But before we jump into the word application, since here I use Mendeley Reference Manager, I also use Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. So I connected Mendeley with Word using Mendeley site. It'll make our citation process simpler and easier. Okay, now let's jump into the Word application. To make citation using Mendeley, first you can tap the References tab here and then click the Mendeley site here. And to help you find the articles easier, find the collections of the files that you already made here. And now to make a single citation, it's very simple. You just need to click the files that you wanted to citate. For example, here I wanted to citate this book chapter. Click the file here and click the Insert One Citation button, and that's it. That is how to make a single citation. And the second, to make citation with page number, it's also simple. For example, we wanted to citate a book. Let's find a book here. Before we click the insert one citation, we can click here. In the top of the insert one citation, there is this one, Cho 2018. Click that, scroll down, and in the source details, there is page. In the value, add the page that you wanted to citate. For example, here, I wanted to citate from page 45 until 47. Click Save Changes and insert one citation. Now your citation already provided the page number. Now to make the merge citation. If you wanted to add a few citation in your statement or in paragraph, it's very simple. You don't need to add it one by one. So here to make a merge citation is click the files that you wanted to citate. Wait, for example, here I wanted to citate this one, and this one. 3 citations. Just click the insert 3 citations and you're done. Now the citations are already merged automatically. Now to make the bibliography, it's also very simple. Now here. Oh, don't forget to make sure that your citation style is already in the APA 7th edition, okay? Now, to make the bibliography, click the 3 dots here and click the Insert Bibliography. Continue. And your bibliography are already done. Okay, that's all from me. Hope my video is clear enough to help you to make citations and bibliography. Okay, thank you. See you next time.